Morning class 10th. I hope you all are well at home. So today we are going to start our topic condition of collinearity. Collinearity means if three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, then they are said to be collinear. For example, suppose point A, point B, point C. All 3 points are in the same line. All 3 points lie on a same line. Then these 3 points A, B and C are said to be collinear. Suppose here the vertices of point A or the coordinates of point A are given by x1 comma y1, point B x2 comma y2 and point C x3 comma y3. X1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are the vertices of point A, B, C respectively. Then these 3 points are said to be collinear if distance between point AB plus A and B, that is distance AB, plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. It means if AB plus BC is equal to AB. Look at here. Distance between A and B plus distance between B and C is equal to distance between A and C. Then these 3 points are said to be collinear. So this is the condition of collinearity. I hope this is clear to you all. That I'm repeating again, if 3 points A, B, C are given, then they are said to be collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC. So in exercise 7.1, question number 3, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So we have to determine that these 3 points are collinear. So these 3 points are collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC. If AB plus BC is not equal to AC, then they are said to be non-collinear. Collinear ना होने का मतलब है non-collinear. So first we let the point A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -11. So let's start the solution of question number 3 of exercise 7.1. So first we let the point, let A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -11 are the given points, and we have to determine that these are collinear or not. For this we need to find distance AB, BC and AC. So let's find distance AB. जब हम डिस्टेंस AB फाइंड करेंगे, यानी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट B, देन वी लेट x1 y1 1, 5, x2 y2 2, 3. तो x1 y1 की जगह 1, 5 और x2 y2 की जगह हम 2, 3 पुट करेंगे डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला में. एंड डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला मैं पहली बार लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पर क्योंकि आप ये लास्ट लेक्चर में कर चुके हैं. सो द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला इज √ x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 - y1 whole square. And as I told you that x1 y1 1, 5, x2 y2 2, 3. So we have √ 2 - 1 whole square plus 3 - 5 whole square, and it is equal to √ 2 - 1 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 3 - 5 is -2, -2 whole square plus 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, so we have √ 5 units. Then we find distance BC. Okay, BC, distance between point B and point C. So let x1 y1 now 2 comma 3 and x2 y2 minus 2 comma minus 11. Okay, so distance BC is equal to under root minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Okay, now we simplify this. Minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is plus 16. Minus 11 minus 3 minus 14. Minus 14 whole square is plus 196. And 16 plus 196 is 212. So we have under root 212 units. Okay, now we find AC. Distance AC. It means distance between point A and point C. So we let x1 y1 as 1 comma 5 and x2 y2 minus 2 comma minus 11. So distance AC is equal to under root minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to under root minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square is plus 9. Minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 and minus 16 whole square is 6 minus 16 into minus 16, that is 256. 9 plus 256 is 265. So we have under root 265 units. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to simplify these three numbers also. Under root 5 is already in simplified form. Okay, if you do the factors of 212, अगर आप इसके फैक्टर्स का देखिए, कहीं क्वेश्चंस में कई जगह ये आपको बहुत यूज़ आएगा, लेकिन मे बी यहाँ हमें इसकी ज़रूरत ना पड़े, लेकिन कहीं जगह आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो अगर आप 212 के फैक्टर्स करें, 2 1 2 0, 2 6 12, 2 5 10, 2 3 6, तो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 53. इट मीन्स अंडर रूट लेने के बाद 2 root 53. So this we have 2 root 53 units. Okay, under root 265. So factors of 265, 5 5s are 25, 1 15, 5 3s are 15. So we have 5 into 53. तो कोई भी नंबर हमारा रेडिकल साइन से अंडर रूट साइन से बाहर नहीं मिलेगा. सो इट इज़ सेम एज अंडर रूट 265. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, सपोज ये रूट 5 की टर्म में है. ओके, आपने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, सपोज कोई नंबर ऐसा है अंडर रूट साइन के अंदर कि वो भी 4 रूट 5 या 5 रूट 5 की फॉर्म में हो, तो कई बार ऐड करने पर सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म को यूज़ करना ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म को जब आप ऐड करते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा सही होता है और आपको सॉल्यूशन में भी कंपैरिजन करने में ए बी प्लस बी सी टू ए सी का कंपैरिजन करने में आसानी होती है, क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. ठीक है, सो हियर वी हैव ए बी प्लस बी सी. ओके, अगर हम इसका सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लें, ए बी प्लस बी सी, सो ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 5 प्लस 2 रूट 53. दोनों ही बिल्कुल डिफरेंट टर्म है, हम इन्हें ऐड भी नहीं कर सकते. ओके, और भी सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. सो ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 5 प्लस 2 रूट 53 एंड ए सी राइट हैंड साइड इज ए सी इज अंडर रूट 265. So you can see that AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So we can write since AB plus BC is not equal to AC, तो हमारी कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही है. So AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So therefore points are not collinear. ओके, और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि पॉइंट्स आर नॉन कोलिनियर, नॉट कोलिनियर और या फिर नॉन कोलिनियर. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now question number 4 we have done in our previous lecture, so let's start question number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in figure 7.8. Okay, so this is the figure 7.8. This is the graph and 4 friends are seated at point A, B, C and D. Okay, now look at here. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay, so A, B, C, D, all 4 points are given in this figure on a graph. So we can find out their coordinates. Okay, so if you look at this figure carefully, then point A, position of point A is, देखिए, along x-axis 3 units, then go upward along y-axis 4 units. Okay, 0 से start हो, 0 है यहाँ पे, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so along x-axis 3 units, along y-axis 4 units. So coordinates of point A are 3, 4. Similarly, we find out the coordinates of point B. Point B, look at here, along x-axis 6 units, along y-axis 7 units. So coordinates of point B 6, 7. Okay, similarly we find out the coordinates of point C. Point C, position of point C अगर हम check करें, then along x-axis 9 units, then go upward along y-axis 4 units. So position of point C 9, 4. Then point D along x-axis 6 units, along y-axis upward 1 unit. Okay, so coordinates of point D are 6, 1. Okay, so we have all 4 coordinates A, B, C and D. Now we have to check that who is right, who is correct, Champa or Chameli. Okay, for this we have to find out that ABCD is a square or not. To check that it is a square or not, we need to find out the sides AB, BC, CD, DA and diagonals also, because if 4 sides are equal, then it can be a rhombus or it can be a square. ओके, तो अगर सपोज चारों साइड इक्वल आ भी जाती है, देन स्टिल हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन है कि हो सकता है वो रोम्बस हो सकता है वो स्क्वायर हो. सो वी ऑल्सो नीड टू फाइंड द डायगोनल्स AC, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट A and C, and BD. Okay, distance between point B and D. If all sides are equal, then diagonals are also equal, then it is a case of a square. Okay, then we can say that it is a square. And if all sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, then it will be a rhombus. So let's find out it is a square or it is a rhombus. Okay, for this we have point A, B, C and D as given in the book. I have marked the coordinates also. Okay, so I am joining the diagonals also AC and BD. Okay, so let's start with the sides. So let A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1 represents the position of 4 friends as given in the figure. Okay, now we find distance AB. Okay, so जब आप find करेंगे distance AB, it means distance between point A and point B. Then let x1 y1 3, 4, x2 y2 6, 7. जिन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच की आप डिस्टेंस फाइंड कर रहे हैं, किसी एक को x1 y1, किसी दूसरे पॉइंट को x2 y2 आप लेट करेंगे, लेकिन ध्यान रखना है उन्हीं को लेट करना है. ओके, तो ये x1 y1 और ये x2 y2. So AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 यानी 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 की जगह 7 minus 4 whole square. So we have under root 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 square is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 square is 9. Under root 9 plus 9 under root 18. Okay, under root 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 9s are 18 and 2 into 3 into 3. So we can write it as 3 root 2 units. Now we find second side BC. अब हम BC find करेंगे. Okay, BC distance between point B and point C. So x1 y1 6,7, x2 y2 9,4. So BC is equal to under root 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. So we have under root 9 minus 6 3. 3 square 9. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 and minus 3 whole square is plus 9. So under root 9 plus 9 under root 18. Under root 18 is same as 3 root 2 units. Now we find third side CD. Okay. Distance between point C and point D. So let x1 y1 9,4. x2 y2 6,1. So distance CD is equal to under root 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Under root 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 square will be plus 9. Okay, नेगेटिव नंबर का जब हम स्क्वायर करते हैं तो पॉजिटिव ही मिलता है. ओके, सो 1 minus 4 minus 3. minus 3 whole square is plus 9. Under root 9 plus 9 under root 18. Under root 18 is 3 under root 2 units. Okay, now fourth side DA. Okay, DA distance between point D and point A. So let x1 y1 6,1, x2 y2 3,4. So DA is equal to 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So we have under root 3 minus 6 minus 3. Minus 3 square is plus 9. 4 minus 1 3. 3 square is 9. Under root 9 plus 9 under root 18. Under root 18 is 3 root 2 units. Okay, so here we have all four sides AB, BC, CD and DA, and all four sides are equal to 3 root 2 units. Okay, so we need to find the diagonals also. So diagonals AC. Okay, so diagonal AC, distance between point A and C. So let x1 y1 3,4, x2 y2 9,4. So AC is equal to under root 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Okay, and it is equal to under root 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 square is 36. 4 minus 4 0. 0 square is 0. Okay, 36 plus 0 is 36 and square root of 36 is 6 units. Okay, it is 6 units. Now we find next diagonal BD. Okay, distance between point B and point D. So let x1 y1 6,7, x2 y2 6,1. So we have BD is equal to under root 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square, and it is equal to under root 6 minus 6 0. 0 square is 0. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is plus 36. Under root 0 plus 36 is under root 36, and it is equal to 6 units. So you can see four sides are equal. Both diagonals are also equal to 6 units. So therefore it is a square. So we write down since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to 3 root 2 units, and diagonals AC is equal to BD is equal to 6 units. So therefore ABCD is a square. So who is correct? So Champa is correct. Okay. And what if both diagonals will not be equal? अगर दोनों diagonals equal नहीं होते, then it will be a rhombus. I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's start next question. Question number 6. Now question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So in this question we have 3 parts: first, second, third. So we have to name the type of quadrilateral formed if any. यानी अगर कोई quadrilateral form होना possible है, अगर कोई quadrilateral बन पा रहा है तो हमें उसका नाम बताना है. Then which type of quadrilateral it will be. Okay, and give reasons for your answer. और आपको इसके reason भी बताने हैं. Okay, suppose in first part we have 4 points. Okay, -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, and -3, 0. So if any quadrilateral is possible, then we need to find the type of quadrilateral and also give the reasons. Okay, so let's start first part. Let the given points are A -1, -2, B 1, 0, C -1, 2, and D -3, 0. Okay, so we have 4 points A, B, C, D. Name them. Okay, now first we find all 4 sides AB, BC, CD, and BA, and then diagonals AC and BD. Clear? So first side AB. So using distance formula between point A and point B, suppose x1 y1 -1, -2, x2 y2 1, 0. Then we have AB is equal to under root 1 minus -1 whole square plus 0 minus -2 whole square. Okay, look at here, 1 minus -1. देखो x2 minus x1 यानी 1 minus -1. So 1 minus -1 and then whole square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus -2 and then whole square. So we have AB is equal to under root 1 minus -1. So if we open the bracket, 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus -2, it means 0 plus 2 whole square. So it is equal to under root 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is 4, 0 plus 2 2, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 8. So we have under root 8, and under root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, so it is 2 root 2 units. Okay, then we find BC. BC, similarly you have to use distance formula between point B and C. So by distance formula we have, suppose x1 y1 1, 0 and x2 y2 -1, 2. Then BC is equal to -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So it is equal to under root -1 -2. -2 whole square is +4. 2 minus 0 2, 2 square is plus 4. Under root 4 plus 4, under root 8. Under root 8 is 2 root 2 units. Then CD, so x1 y1 minus 1 comma 2, x2 y2 minus 3 comma 0. So CD is equal to under root minus 3 minus 1 यानी minus 3 plus 1. ओके, मैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हूँ. minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. So it is equal to under root minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 2 whole square is plus 4. 0 minus 2 and minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Under root 4 plus 4 under root 8. Under root 8 is 2 root 2 units. Now AB, BC, CD के बाद DA, fourth side. Okay, distance between point D and point A. Okay, so x1 y1 minus 3 comma 0, x2 y2 minus 1 comma minus 2. So by distance formula we have minus 1 minus 3, so plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root minus 1 plus 3 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 2 square is 4 under root 4 plus 4 under root 8. Under root 8 is 2 root 2 units. Okay, now we find the diagonals. AC, diagonal AC, distance between point A and point C. So x1 y1 minus 1 comma minus 2, x2 y2 minus 1 comma 2. So we have under root. ठीक है, AC में अगर आप डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट A और C ले रहे हैं, इसको x1 y1 और इसको x2 y2, तो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square. So we have under root minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 square is 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 square is 16, under root 0 plus 16 under root 16, under root 16 is 4 units. 16 is the square of 4. Okay, now next diagonal is BD. So diagonal BD, distance between point B and point D. Okay, so let x1 y1 1 comma 0 and x2 y2 minus 3 comma 0. So by distance formula BD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square under root minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square is 16. 0 minus 0, 0 square is 0. So it is equal to under root 16 and under root 16 is equal to 4 units. So here you can see side AB, BC, CD and DA all are equal to root 2 units and diagonal AC and BD both are equal to 4 units. So since all sides are equal and both diagonals are equal, so therefore it is a square. So since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to 2 root 2 units and AC is equal to BD is equal to 4 units. इसमें आप लिख सकते हैं diagonals and diagonals AC is equal to BD is equal to 4 units. So since all sides of a quadrilateral are equal and its diagonals are also equal to each other, therefore ABCD is a square. This is the same case as question number 5. All sides are equal, okay, then it can be a rhombus or it can be a square, but diagonals are equal, then it is a square, and if diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. Okay, so here it is a square. I hope this is clear to you all. Now you have to do second and third part in your homework. Okay, so listen carefully. In second part, you have to find out the sides and the diagonals. Okay, then if the sum of two sides is equal to any one diagonal, for example if AB plus BC is equal to AC, अगर ऐसी कंडीशन आती है then this is the case of collinearity. उस केस में तीनों पॉइंट कोलिनियर होंगे. इट मीन्स ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इन सेकेंड पार्ट आप सिर्फ यही मत करिए कि आपने 4 साइड्स फाइंड करी और आपने डायगोनल्स फाइंड करे, आप प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं. आपको ये भी ध्यान देना है कि क्या ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल है या नहीं. सो फॉर दिस इफ़ यू आर फाइंडिंग द साइड AB, BC, CD, DA and diagonals AC and BD, then you have to check also that sum of any two sides, okay, should not be equal to its diagonal. For example, मैं आपको यहाँ एक फिगर से समझा रही हूँ. सपोज किसी फिगर, नेक्स्ट पेज समझा देती हूँ आपको. सपोज 4 points are given, A, B, C and D. आपने डिस्टेंस फाइंड करी AB, आपने डिस्टेंस फाइंड कर ली है BC, ओके, और आपने डायगोनल भी फाइंड कर लिया है. लेकिन इफ़ सम ऑफ दीज टू साइड्स, इफ़ सम ऑफ AB एंड BC इज इक्वल टू द थर्ड साइड ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, अगर हम इसे ट्राइंगल की तरह समझें, इफ़ सम ऑफ टू साइड्स AB प्लस BC इज इक्वल टू द थर्ड साइड, देन दिस इज द केस ऑफ कोलिनियरिटी. क्योंकि ये ट्राइंगल में पॉसिबल नहीं है. इन अ ट्राइंगल सम ऑफ टू साइड्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. ओके, सो अगर कहीं भी सम ऑफ टू साइड्स उन साइड से को उस ट्राइंगल में यूज़ होने वाले डायगोनल के इक्वल आता है, देन उस केस में वो ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है. अगर ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है यानी कि ये डायगोनल इसका नहीं है, तो इट मीन्स वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. Okay, so do second part very carefully. If AB plus BC is equal to AC, then you can say that AB plus BC is equal to AC. So therefore the triangle ABC is not possible, hence this quadrilateral is also not possible. But listen it carefully, you have to find all 4 sides and all both the diagonals first, then you have to give the reason. Okay, so do second part very carefully and third part also. Okay, so this is your homework. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.